Welcome to Ecoleave Setup Tutorial. In the Setup section, we have Employee, Approver, Holidays and Leave, Messaging, and Departments. The first menu of the setup is Employees. You can reset the password. You are able to add new employee. You must fill in the personal details such as employee details and I/C/No. Scroll down to fill in spouse particulars and permanent address, contact. Moreover, in the Settings section, you need to add Edit Race, add Edit Category, add Edit Type, and add Edit Designation. Additionally, you can edit or delete the list. Furthermore, in the Approver Manager section, you can edit or delete the details. To add a new Approver Manager, click this button. You should click to choose one. The next part is Claim Rate. You are able to choose monthly, yearly. The Generate button is to update the records. The last part in this section is Block Days. Select the year, and choose the employee, category, department, and branch as well as select the day. Click Apply. Afterwards add Edit Holiday. You need to select the year. To add new holiday, click this button, choose the date, fill in the holiday description, and select the country and state. Remember to click Apply. Secondly, Rest Day. Choose the year, employee, or group. Click to choose and select the day. Remember to click Apply. Scroll down to view Map Employee. You must select all the details and Apply. At the bottom, there's Mapping List and Create Group. In Leave Entitlement, which includes annual leave, medical leave, max leave allowance, holiday and rest day, and leave settings. Click the Generate button to update the leave details. As an HR, you are able to edit staff leave details. Click this to edit. To delete the details, you must click the square first. Then, HR can also update employees' leave. Complete the past leave details. At the bottom, you can edit past leave list. Secondly, Leave Replacement. Select branch, department, category, search employees, hourly, work date, know of leave granted, and enter reason. You can add or remove employees. Thirdly, Compulsory Leave. Complete the compulsory leave details. Move down to identify the compulsory leave list. Lastly, assign BF Adj. You have to input and select the information as well as click Apply. In Leave Control, there's Leave Escalation. Type the number of days. Move to Leave Entitlement. Select the type of leave entitlement. You must select the type of approver settings. Following that, Non-Active Date Confirmed setting. You should tick to update. After that, Leave Name, tick to determine the color for the item. At last, Approve Leave Page Column. You can tick what you want to display on the Leave Page column. Additionally, as an HR, you are able to send Edit Message. First, to send a message, you must complete the input of the employee's details. At the bottom, there are message sending instructions, symbols. Besides that, click this to edit the message. In the end, department, category and branch. To edit the data, click this button. To add new department, you must complete the data. In the same way, add Edit Branch and add Edit Category. Last but not least, countries, states. Fill in the country code and country name. Go down to Countries list and you are able to edit and delete the details. Add Edit States, select country and type state name. Go down to States list and you are able to edit and delete the details. Thank you for exploring this tutorial. For further assistance, please contact us at 03-214-87670 or 012-203-7670.